Welcome to POMCLOSET, guys. Just a quick tutorial of how I made this top. The yarn I'm using for this project is from Hobby. The color is 01. I have used the same pattern as the green top. You need to use the same pattern as the green top up to 37 rows. Once you complete 37 rows of the front piece, you will need to divide this piece into half. So I have cast on 44 stitches. You will need to put the stitch markers now on the number 22 on one side, and the other side has to be 22 stitches. We will reduce 1 stitch on each side for every 2 rows for the chest part only. First of all, you need to put the stitch markers on the side so you know where the under armpit is. This is going to be the beginning of the armhole, and then you need to knit up to the stitch number 22, so that would be the middle part of the front piece. Row 38 before you have reached number 22. You need to transfer the stitch from number 22 onto number 21 here, and then you need to knit to complete this row. And the next row, no reducing, because we will be reducing only 1 stitch on the chest part only for every 2 rows for 26 rows. Make sure you don't lose the yarn on the stitch number 23, so just be careful on this stitch. Once I'm done 26 rows of the reducing of this chest part, I have ended up with 9 stitches left. I will knit straight for 9 more rows and then cast off. Of how to cast off, you will need to go back to the videos that I have done. After I have done one side of the top, so I need to reduce the other side, transfer the number 23 to number 24. Just make the little loops like this, and then you just go on the stitch number 24 here and then pull it tight before you put the yarn into the yarn slot, and then start to knit. Keep reducing exactly the same as the one you have done by transfer this one here to the next one, to the stitch next to it, and do this for every 2 rows for 26 rows. After that, you need to knit straight for 9 more rows before you cast off. At the end, you will have the shape of the front piece, something like this. Don't forget to work on the edging before you connect the pieces together. I have used the sleeves of this dress, so you can go back to see the video of how I made it. The edging of the top, I have used a crochet diagram for 4 rows. And here it is, a completed top. I have used the same pattern as the green top for the back piece. The front piece is very easy, just make the split in the middle. The sleeves pattern I have mentioned. I really hope you liked the tutorial, guys. Any questions, please feel free to write down in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video.